Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make another recipe. So these are all the ingredients: all-purpose flour, food coloring. You can use any kind of food coloring, and salt 1 teaspoon, and warm water, and this is 3 tablespoons of hot oil. So I'm going to put now this one here. I will use only 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 250 gram this cup, 1 cup of this one. So now we have to mix this one. Put salt here, and now we have to put this cooking oil. This is hot oil. Now we have to use warm water. Now we have to mix like this. Now next we have to mix this one or masahiin or knead this one for almost 5 minutes para maganda yung dough. Like that. So I think this is okay. This is enough. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. So we have to cover this one. And then leave this one for 30 minutes or 15 minutes like that. But I'm still busy. I'm going to make namas for suhar for my azan na. Today is Friday, and Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And today is February 23. So next, I have to do this one. I have to make food coloring. And this is 1 teaspoon only. I have to put this one. And then I mix 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And then we have to little bit put water here. Paki-watch nyo na lang ang aking video until the end para malaman nyo kung ano yung aking recipe for today. Ito na yung food color with water and all-purpose flour. So enough na ito yung pagka niya, sticky niya. Hindi masyado maraming liquid. Tama lang, parang paste lang siya. Ayan. So this is the dough. Now it's time to make. First we have to do like this, circle. So I have 12 pieces of shape, 12 circles. So next we have to make like this, and then you roll it like this. Same you are making chapati or roti. Now I have these 2 kinds of ladle. So watch nyo na lang kung ano yung aking gagawin. So I have to use this one beater. Then make like that. Must be press, you make press well. And then now we have to put this one, this food color. You can use brush or anything. But I will use this spoon. So must be you have to do like this, you scattered. And then you make like that again. I think it's not Now, so next we have to make like this, slowly, slowly. Now, you see? Very nice. Now we have to do again the same. And this is already. Dapat i-press na ganyan masyado. Ayan. And then, now you can use hand also like this. Para ma-scattered yung color. Mas maganda. Now you have to press again. And you have to remove now. Ito lahat yung aking nagawa. Ready to fry na ito. Ito naman yung wet flour, yung sa chapati. Ito ay all-purpose flour. Ayan, ang ganda, 'di ba? Ayan.